Hello, judges. We are ReconcileAI, and today we'll be presenting about our product, which is called ReconcileAI. So every month, finance teams at Malaysian SMEs manually reconcile hundreds of cross-border invoices against bank statements. So here's the challenge. The bank converts USD to Malaysian ringgit using its own hidden rate, deduct fees, and then credits the account days later. The matching that back to the original invoice is slow, error-prone, and they often miss overcharges. So we have built Reconcile AI to solve this issue, which is an AI agent that does the full reconciliation in seconds. All right, so here's the dashboard. So the interface has 3 panels. So on the left, you can see preloaded demo scenarios. And in the middle, here's the AI agent chat, where you can describe an invoice in plain language or paste a query. And on the right, there's a structured reconciliation report that gets populated live as the agent works. All right, so here, let's start with the clean case. So first, I'll click on this. So this is invoice INV 2025-047 from ACME Corp, which is $10 dated on 20th of May. And the bank have credited 42 ringgit and 10 cents the next day. So let it run and let's skip to the output. All right, so as you can see here, this is the output of the invoice. So the confidence score is 99%, which is matched as you can see in the status. And also the bank has applied a rate of 4.2950, which is 7.79% higher than the market rate of 3.9845. So this is well within the normal parameters, and the agent auto reconciles and marks the invoice as paid. And there's no human needed for this. All right, so here, let's move on to the second scenario. So here's a tricky case. So invoice. So this invoice, INV 2025-012 from Global Tech Inc., which is $300. The bank has received 1,284.75 cents Malaysian ringgit, and at a standard rate of 4.28, you would expect around 1,284, which looks fine just at first glance. So the FX verifier digs deeper. The market rate that day was 4.28, but the bank applied 4.28 minus a hidden spread, delivering less than expected. So the agent flags a medium risk with calculates the exact spread percentage and returns needs review with a recommendation to check with the bank. So as you can see here, this kind of discrepancy, a manual process would miss entirely. All right, moving on. Here's the last scenario, a genuine mismatch. So we'll click on this invoice from Sunrise Ventures LLC for 500 USD. So the only credit in the bank is 2,140 from TechWave Singapore, 9 days apart. All right, so here's the output. So the sender name similarity is near 0, date gap is 9 days, amount variance is outside tolerance, confidence drops below 60%, the agent will then return no match, which do not auto-reconcile, and escalate to the finance team. So that's it. So under the hood, the agent is a LangGraph React loop running on Chutes.ai with DeepSeek R1 as the reasoning model and QWEN3 27B for multimodal invoice extraction. The Next.js dashboard streams every tool call and token live via server-sent events, so the finance officer sees exactly how the AI reached its conclusion. It shows full transparency, 0 black box. So 3 outcomes, 3 seconds each, 0 manual matching. And that is our product, ReconcileAI. Thank you for listening.